For me personally, the transient shapers are so important when I'm doing a mix, not a mix like this, that is tutorial for educational purposes, but a mix that is going to be released in my name as an audio engineer. Transient shapers or shapers, signal shapers, whatever you call them, are so important for me, especially when I'm mixing percussions or drums. And when there is a lot of drums and percussions channel. So this is a transient shaper from Tukan Studios. Thank you Tukan Studios. I have tested a couple of your plugins. I didn't record any video, but I will soon. It is the first one. Your work is well appreciated. So this is a transient shaper and will help us control the way transients behave. The audio material that I'm focused on is this channel. Before this violet envelope from Tukan Studios, I have used a tool S2 from Tukan. It is for doing some high pass because there was a lot of low end. My mix didn't need them. And let's get started with a violet envelope. As you can hear, I can make it more progressive and has a lot of attacks or boost transients and make it shorter, not a sustained audio material, shorter. This is what I have done now. It is kind of gated. It's great. It depends on where you are going to use it or this technique. So this plugin is so powerful on this matter. I have used a transient shaper from Native Instruments and Softtube. Great plugins. This sounds good too. So let's make transients less obvious. So the attack makes initial transients bolder and bigger. Now let's control those transients and make them less obvious. Now we have more sustained audio material. There is a lot of ambience that is boosted and now you can hear what's going on the background. And we have less attack. It is useful when you are using this audio material as a background audio. It will have a sustained ambience and whatever there is with less progressive and disturbing attacks or initial attacks. This tool is amazing and it is free with Reaper. And Reaper have a 60 days evaluation time. So after 60 days, you should buy. I should buy. I'm evaluating or I'm in evaluation license. I will buy. Give me time. We could use this plugin on drums, but that would be another day's discussion and another day's video. So thanks for watching. Thanks Tukan Studios. I hope you're doing great jobs like this now and forever. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.